This is the box of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. On the front, you just have the name of the phone itself. Let's now open up the box to see what's inside. So this is the S21 Plus. You can take a look at the device. Let's keep it aside for a bit and take out the other things in the box. So this paper box here has the SIM eject tool at the back. Once you open it up, you'll also see the quick start guide, some other documentation, and the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Note that the Galaxy S21 Plus does not ship with a charging adapter or a pair of headphones, and the charging cable is USB Type-C to Type-C, which means that if you buy a power adapter separately, it'll need to have a USB Type-C port. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display. The display supports HDR10+ and has a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate along with Samsung's Eye Comfort Shield technology. This smartphone ships with the Exynos 2100 chipset in India, and it has two variants: 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. There's a triple rear camera setup which has a 12MP dual pixel sensor with an f1.8 lens, a 12MP ultra wide angle camera, and a 64MP telephoto camera with OIS support. There's also a 10MP selfie camera on this phone. The Galaxy S21 Plus has a 4800mAh battery which supports both wired and wireless charging. This smartphone weighs around 200 grams. The Galaxy S21 Plus ships with One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11.